Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actionable step. Install Vscode and the SQL Tools extension. Once installed, open the command palette and choose SQL Tools. New connection so you start wiring your credentials. Make sure you have a reachable SQL server and that firewall and port settings allow access. Write down the exact user, password, host, port, and database name because you will paste them in the next step. Next, configure the connection details inside SQL Tools. Choose the correct driver such as PostgreSQL or MySQL. This ensures the right protocol and client settings. Enter host, port, user, password, and database, then click Test Connection to validate credentials and network reachability. If the test succeeds, save the connection profile so Vscode remembers it. Once saved, open the SQL Tools sidebar entry, select the profile. Finally, complete the setup by opening a SQL file, selecting SQL language mode, and running queries through SQL Tools Query Runner. Make sure the results in Object Explorer populate. Once you see rows, the link is complete. If something goes wrong, use the SQL Tools output and test connection feedback to pinpoint the issue. One key troubleshooting tip: if connections fail, double-check port and firewall rules, confirm credentials, and ensure the selected driver matches the server and SSL requirements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.